Hi, my name is Dani Zulfikar, and today the topic of presentation is Wedgwood Pacific. So, what is the introduction of the company? The introduction of the company Wedgwood Pacific, it is basically a consumer drone aircraft manufacturer, and it is basically a seller-based. Uh, its origin is Washington D.C. and it was founded in 1987, and it operates in innovative and rapidly developing market of drone technology. So in January 2016, it was reported that approximately 181,000 drones had been registered under the new drone registration rules, indicating the growing opportunity and the popularity of drones in the upcoming world, and the increasing of drone technology in overall world. So this is basically the introduction. This is basically the introduction of the company. So we'll come to the main part, that is how I design. This is basically the database schema of the company. So in this there are four tables. One is project, second is assignment, employee, department. The four tables having every table having a unique primary ID. In project there is project ID, in assignment there is project ID, in employee there is employee number, and in department there is department name. Similarly, there are different columns in it, and the primary key is the main key, and from which where it is very easy to access data of all of the columns. That is the main importance of a primary key. So how I created that statement, how I created the database schema on uh, SQL Server Management Studio. I have created I have created this according to the requirement. Mm, these There are four tables. One is department. Second one is employee, project, assignment. Having all of the four having different unique IDs, and unique IDs also primary and known as primary IDs, which is which helps to gain the data very easily. And this is how I created, and these all are linked with each other, so that if there is any type of data required from four of the tables, they are it's very easy to access to them. Yeah, how I inserted the I used the insert into statement to insert all of the sample data into our database. I inserted data each row one by one, and this is the given example of the department table. uh, so I will like to explain one of them. It's like I have written insert into department. There was it was department name, budget code. Also there was office number, department 4. I inserted all of them to just gather uh, their values. So the values, then I entered like administration, legal, accounting, finance, human resources, production, marketing, and sales and marketing. And Then there was some queries in it also. uh, some I've explained here. There was a question like what projects in the project table started before August 1, 2018. Show all the information for each project. Uh, in this query, it was like a simple question that what projects started before August 1, 2018. So I write into select from project where start date was 2018, 8th month, and the first date. So it represented all of them. It was four datas having different project IDs and different project names, departments, having different columns on it. And this was one of the query. There was another query in which it was asked that who are the employees assigned to each project. Show project ID, employee number, last name, first name, and office phone. So there was different employees assigned to different projects. So when I write into select a project, they would enter different columns: employee number, last name, first name, office phone number, and also I asked from assignment A, project, and employee. There was this all data was gained from the query. So this is how we design the database schema of the West Wedgwood Pacific, which is a consumer drone aircraft manufacturer. And having from this way we can design any of the company's data schema by just making different tables, entering their primary names and different columns. So this is all from my side, and thank you.